So hello everybody, today we are playing the ice cream factory again. If you have seen the last video, you remember that I just spawned in a cage, but today there's new update and this is the room. For some reason don't press this and this and this. Let's leave that. These are the characters down below and this is the start button. So let's see. Ice cream factory. So now there are three. Actually, usually there are only one ending, but now there is three endings. And after completing all the endings, I'll reveal you guys a secret. And it's not the face reveal, it's something else.
This is dirty. Really dirty.
It is something else. It's not the face reveal. I'm gonna show you. So it's this as usual, but this time the Easter egg hunt has been finished. And I didn't collect all the eggs. I'm sad. Okay. Boris as usual. Still this another username. Okay. Wait a minute. Where's my companion? Where's my companion called Kaskas? What the hell, bruh? Okay, I know the pattern. Is it the same? Yes, it is. Why? I don't know. Wooden sword and an arrow. Just like usual. Okay. Is rod over here? No. Wait, what is this? Oh, it's a hiding area. Okay. I don't freaking care. Arrow, where are you? Okay, he's here. Run. Wait a minute. Okay, there's a sign. This van is broken. Okay. Wait, there's a van. Working.
Stop it, kid! Stop running away and go back to your cage!
God. Brother. I didn't even know. I saw him and I was hiding, and the next moment he just came out of there. My God. And if you have seen the last video, you will be like, oh my God. If you have seen the video last time, there was some sound problem because the sound was fully some distorted voice. Oh my, bro! I know you are hiding there.
Is anybody watching?
Nobody's watching. Open the door. Run. It's the same as usual, I guess. Except for the van. I guess there's van ending. So I know that there is the normal ending, the van ending, and the ones where we escape the ones. If you have seen the cage once we open our cage, you see some 4 kids over there. Those kids we can escape them, and a secret ending. Okay, bro, what are these? It's a hiding area. Okay, I'm dumb. Is there oh my God. And there's a barrel. I can't reach it. Bruh, stop. Get out of here. Who are you, bro? Joseph, you're weak. You're weak.
Little son,
This
this is how you become a big and strong
Okay, there's a
man.
barrel. What is it? Oh, Van's key. Same the knockback thing, but no of the Easter egg. Bro, is she just here? Oh my God, she's just here. I can see her. Okay.
You will pay for your sins.
None spare hammer as usual.
You never run away, child.
I am running. What will you do? Huh? Get the hell out of here. Whoa. What is this? Gas. Yeah. This is the totem and wind charge. Last time we saw the staff of dominance. It's still the dominance and the staff. What the hell? Now it's a wind charge and a totem of undying. It's good for us, bruh. This is good for us.
There you are.
Not there you are. Okay, what am I saying? I'll pick up. You.
There you are.
And I just understood one thing. Okay, so I just understood one thing, that whenever we are hitting the nun, once she hits us, she regens her health. I mean, if she's at half a heart and she hits us, that means her health will regenerate. Stop laughing. I know you can regenerate your health and you're over here, so die. 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 That's your one job. Let me do the task. It's like the Among Us. Take this. Oh, there's no coin. Wow. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I forgot about this. Bruh. I forgot about the arrow. Oh yeah, this arrow. And let's even get the totem of undying and that wind charge and totem of undying. So where is it? Yeah. So let's take the netherite sword. Let's go to the chest. Take this. Close it up.
Did I hear something? Or
No,
rather,
you. Okay.
never.
Good luck. Okay, I need to be quiet because whenever the music, most all the nuns come, the music will become so loud. Critical hit! Okay, they are saying to press the button one time. One time. And second time. I don't care. Rules are meant to be broken. Come here. These guys are super easy, bro. They just deal a half a heart. Even with no armor, they deal a half a heart. So I can just. Wow, one is inside me. So where are you running? I got 28 wind charges. Press if go back. Press this if. Okay. Oh wait, I forgot to throw the netherite sword and the armor. As that's the rule. You have to throw the armor and the sword. Before 15 seconds earlier, I just said that rules are meant to be broken, but this rule is just important. And if you guys have noticed, I have noticed it. There's a button over there. And this doesn't activate anything. And because, why doesn't this activate anything? Is because it is for the escape. The secret ending where we escape the children's, that one. I'm done. Let's go. Let's go. I'm done.
Well. The
Yeah, got
mini
the
rods
van.
are doing a spectacular
Don't see me.
job.
I'm just
Well
taking
done, mini rods.
the van. And run. That and run. Run. So I got the van key and now the only thing is to open the door, put the van outside and run away. That's the only one thing left. Wait a minute, I don't have 6 arrows. Okay, I have an excellent idea. So I'm just gonna hit him with the arrow. Okay, he didn't die. He is dying. Wait! Oh my god, he died! Get out of here, you idiot! He just died, he died. Oh yeah. So next time if you are playing this plot, just listen to me. Just kill him. Just kill him with wind charge and the bow and arrow. So now I can
Is
escape.
anybody watching?
Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, first I'm just gonna escape. Usually. Oh! Forget about that. Wait a minute. It removes the saturation. You. Bro, he didn't even notice.
Oh, this
Bro, he's a
place
big idiot,
brings
bro. He
me
didn't even
back
notice me.
joyful memories.
Now
So
where
now-
are those fat little chubby bastards?
None is dead, bro. So it's very easy for me to. Fast as the speedy door. This is as usual, like the normal escape, but this is what you have to do. I'll put one trapdoor so that, like this, and now put the van, take the gas, take the saddle, right this guy, open it, and yeah, now we can ride the van and just escape all by walk. So let's put the van aside now. Put one block here and put the trapdoor. Now this is the usual ending, and now let's do the secret ending. Do I have the button? Yes, I do have. So now, after I killed Boris, I need to keep the button somewhere, and then the secret ending will happen. So let's do that. Let's go. So now I don't know if it is like that. Oh my god.
Get after him!
Get
Come
out.
on, you. What do I
I
pay
have
you
second
for?
totem. I can just get unlimited totems from that command block over there, where it gives the totem of undying. So I need the button, please, and I guess here. Okay, not here. Somewhere else. Here? Oh, that is. Okay.
Let's go.
It is. I am top of Jay's cage. Oh, I need to unlock him. What is this next button? Mike's.
Maybe there's kind
This
of a
is
giant
Charlie's.
kitchen around here.
Okay.
In that case, I have something very important to do
This
first.
is Liz. Wait, did they all escape? Not all of them escaped, I guess. So. Escape! Stop! Oh wait, she escaped. Bro, everyone escaped. What about Jay? He just went back. Okay, so let's just do this. You brought them home safely to home. You brought them safely to home. Congrats. What? Okay, am I... Wait, this is the whole factory from the outside. Luckily, I just kept the trapdoor opening that. So these are all the endings of it, of the game. So wait a minute. So the guys in there have escaped? You don't know. I mean, I freed those. My game is getting like yeah. So I freed them, and the game said that I brought them safely to home. So are they in the factory still, or they are in the home right now? So let's just explore. So I mean, let's just see. I'm gonna call my biggest friend Rod. Hello ka buffalo. Hello ka buffalo. Kaha hai tu? Oh,
Stop running away and go back to your cage!
You.
Stupid
I'm
kid!
just
Stop
walking.
running away and go back to your cage!
You come, bro.
Oh, I
I
got
got
this place brings me
You're not
back
gonna get that far, you
joyful
little
memories.
pig.
I had the high ground.
You're not gonna
Oh my
get
gosh.
that far, you little pig.
He has the high ground right now. Are you coming? Come! Oh
Oh, why do they always run away?
my god.
Oh,
This guy. And one day, give me a heart attack.
Well,
Bruh!
the mini rods are
I'm
doing
just
a
gonna scream
spectacular
on my
job.
top of my voice.
Yeah, mini rods.
Get after him! Come on, you. What do I pay you for?
Bro. Bro! Bro, I'm just.
Oh, this place
Bro, I have
brings
hunger.
me back joyful memories.
This guy, bro, one day.
Now where are those
I'm
fat
just
little
gonna-
chubby bastards?
Bro, shut your flabbergasted mouth, dude. Like, oh, bro, they.
I think I need a...
What? So they just went back into the.
Anybody looking? Huh?
Okay, are they in the. Okay, he's not in the vent.
Oh, why do they always run away? Oh,
Is it- Oh my god, he's behind me.
anybody looking?
He didn't even notice.
Run with those
Wait,
fat little
are they
legs.
easy?
You're not gonna get that far.
What? Wait a minute. I need to get in.
Mini Rod, get after him. Come on, you. What do I pay you for?
Bro, it's so amazing that this guy will kill him. Kill them. Oh, wait, there's a piston. Oh.
I think I need a plan.
I'm here.
Anybody want Run with those fat little legs. You're not
I'm
gonna
gonna
get
get
that
that.
far. What is this?
The ones who are inside the cage are very lucky.
Where am I?
Run with those fat little legs. You're not gonna get that far.
Wait a minute. No. I'm at the middle. Come here, you idiot. Come here. Bruh, this idiot. Come here. Thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, just subscribe, like, and we'll see you next time. You are not home, you are inside the cage, and bye bye.